When you feel blue and there's nothing to do, well, you can always go to downtown. Hop on a train, or if you live far away, just take an aeroplane to downtown. Then travel up to Yorkshire through the countryside so pretty. If there's time, you'll visit the cathedral and the city. Everyone should. The lights are electric there. You'll have a maid or a valet to tidy your hair up at Downton. What would you rather do? Downton. Things will be great for you. Downton Abbey is waiting for you. After you've rested and you're feeling refreshed, you'll have a pot of tea at Downtown. Cucumber sandwiches with cheddar and brie are Daisy's specialty at Downtown. Then visit with the Crawleys as they show you the estate. Walk with Isis, talk with Violet, have a piece of cake. How can you resist? The food is delicious there, and when you're ready for dinner, there's always a chair for you. Downton, where all the food is great. Downton, no need to hesitate. Downton Abbey is waiting for you. Downton. Downtown, and you will find that everyone is kind and understanding, all except for Thomas, 'cause he's got an axe to grind. But pay him no mind, 'cause everyone else is great. They'll help you dress for your meals and put food on your plate.